Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a tour on Manninngs Hill Road and take a tour through the Manninngs Hill area. So we're driving from the Havendale area towards Constant Spring Road. On the right is the Rubis gas station. On the left is the Super Value Home Center, and this is where you have the Super Value supermarket. Now on Constant Spring Road you have the Super Value Town Center, and it's the same persons that operate the Super Value supermarket that built that plaza. On the right is the Salvation Army head office. I'm not sure if this is still the head office, but that's their location on the right. So at this intersection, if we turn right, we go into the Roehampton area, and that's Roehampton Drive, and that takes us back to Red Hills Road. So we are on Manninngs Hill Road now. Now if we turn left here, we go into the Cassava Piece area. You can see they have a tasty location in this plaza. The plaza on the left is the Midway Mall. And some subscribers have commented that in Jamaica we call everything a mall, while in America a mall is different, where you go inside a building and then you have stores within the building. So in America this would be more of a plaza, but in Jamaica we use the words mall, plaza and center interchangeably. So you could have Tropical Plaza, then you have Mall Plaza. I mean, it's just a culture thing in Jamaica. Okay, so this is Manninngs Hill Road. On the left we have a business place. On the left is the Mannings Hill Medical Center. Now in Jamaica, almost every road you have some sort of construction going on. If it's not a plaza, it's a building, apartment building. So the construction industry in Jamaica is booming. So we just passed a plaza that's being built or being renovated on the right. Okay, at this intersection now we're coming up to Constant Spring Road. If we turn left, we take Constant Spring Road up to Manor Park, and if we go straight, we take Constant Spring Road up to down to the Halfway Tree area. And this area is known as Mary Brown's Corner. I'm not sure why they call it Mary Brown's Corner, but if anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. So on the left is the Texaco Mary Brown's Corner. Straight ahead on the right is the new NCB Constant Spring branch. And NCB used to have a branch in Manor Center in the Manor Park area, but they closed that branch and moved it down to this one here on Constant Spring Road. And on the right now is the Scotia Constant Spring branch. Scotia also had another branch on Constant Spring Road, but they closed it and they just use that one there now. Okay, so on the right now is the Super Value Town Center. And we had just passed the Super Value supermarket on Manninngs Hill Road. Here you can see this bus is just stopping in the road to let off passengers. Now, this is not a bus stop, but this is how they do it in Jamaica. They just stop anywhere. And then the passengers that come off the bus now have to cross this road if they are going over to the town center. And that's very dangerous. Okay, on the left is the Kingston Spring Tax Office. The correct name is the Revenue Service Center St. Andrew, but everybody just refers to it as the Tax Office, Kingston Spring Tax Office. On the right is the entrance to the Immaculate Conception High School and to the Kingston Spring Golf Club. On the left we just passed Juicy Beef, and also if we had turned left that's the entrance to Pepper Time. Now up here on the left is the entrance to the Kingston Spring Police Station and also the entrance to the Cassava Peace area. Now straight ahead, that pink building, that's the Powell building, and it's named after General Colin Powell, the former Secretary of State of the United States. His parents were Jamaican, and so the building was named after him. Okay, on the left now is the entrance to Manor Center. And at this intersection, if we turn right, we go on to Olivier Road. On the right is the Discount Center, Discount Pharmacy. Correct name is Discount Center Pharmacy. On the right is the Manor Park Plaza, so we're now in the Manor Park area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.